Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset the Volkswagen Tiguan service light. Turn the key to Accessory, navigate to the Instrument Cluster menu, and find Service or Oil Reset. Press and hold the Confirm button until the countdown finishes, then verify the light is gone. I explain button locations, common errors, and quick checks to avoid a needless dealer visit. Stay calm and follow each step carefully for a clean reset. Start by sitting in the driver's seat and ensuring the car is in park with the parking brake set. Cycle the ignition to Accessory so the dash lights are active, but the engine is off. Use the arrow keys to reach service options, then press and hold OK to begin the reset. You will see a countdown and a confirmation message when the reset completes successfully. Repeat if needed. If the service light won't reset or it comes back immediately, there may be an underlying fault that needs attention. Try turning the ignition fully off, wait 10 seconds, and perform the reset again. Avoid disconnecting the battery unless you know how to restore settings. If the light returns, get a diagnostic scan to identify persistent faults and address them before attempting another reset to prevent masking real issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.